This is how we jive from mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. We have another product from Guess. This is Guess small pack, you can see. Let me take this off. Beautiful packaging of this one to show what we have inside. A beautiful looking bracelet from Guess. You see Guess right, and wow, golden color, authentic product, guys. You see here how you have a key. In this case, to that you have a heart, something as a lock, so lock and key together. This side is another lock and another key. Wow, beautiful here, right, and Guess. Wow, how beautiful, elegant this one. And here to lock this one and unlock this one. Wow, beautiful product, guys. Let me show you more closer. If you want to buy for yourself, you want to give as a gift, you can use this one as this. Wow, beautiful looking product. And what more inside, coming with all the information. Here you have a manual sort of thing, some literature. Here so you have one envelope. Let me see what we have inside. Maybe some guarantee cards. A beautiful looking premium card, authentic card, jewelry from Guess. Information, you see QR codes and some phone number. So if you want to check authentication of this product, you can check properly this is Guess or not. Wow, because you can find many counterfeit of this type of product. Always when you want to buy Guess, go to big places, something as Corte Inglés in Spain, or go to the website of Guess, buy from there. They are authentic, original, okay? It's beautifully small envelope, so packaging, everything, all is premium. Look at this cotton here, high quality, Guess marking. So you'll not find in the cheap duplicate counterfeit product. And the color, magnificent. Heart inside, 3 color of hearts. One is pink, then this is purple more, and then you have blue, green, something between that color. Wow, beautiful looking bracelet, guys. If you want to see similar review of more product from Guess or tech product, check the video description. I have many this type of videos. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye bye.